Credit Karma can show a sudden credit score drop even when you did not miss a payment, because your score can change when the information in your credit report changes. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons your Credit Karma score dropped, and the steps you can take to find the exact cause. The first thing to check is your credit report inside Credit Karma. The score itself does not explain the reason for the change, but your report shows the account activity that may have affected your score. One common reason is a higher credit card balance being reported. Your balance can increase your credit utilization, which means you may be using more of your available credit compared with before. Even if you plan to pay the balance later, the reported balance can affect your score at the time it is updated. Another reason is a missed payment, or a payment being reported differently than expected. Payment history is a major part of your credit profile, so review every account listed in your report and look for changes in payment status. A score can also change when a new account appears, an old account changes information, or a lender updates account details. Credit reports are updated when companies send new information to the credit bureaus, so your score may move after those updates. You should also check whether the score drop is from a different credit bureau than the one you normally monitor. Credit Karma mainly provides scores based on information from 2 major credit bureaus, and your lender may use a different scoring model or report source. If you see an error, start by checking the account details carefully. Look for incorrect balances, unfamiliar accounts, or payment information that does not match your records. Then follow the dispute process with the appropriate credit bureau. The fastest way to understand a Credit Karma score drop is to compare your current report with your previous report. Look for what changed, not just the number that moved. The next step is to open your Credit Karma account, review your latest credit report updates, and identify the exact account causing the change. If this guide helped you understand why your score dropped, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit guides.